Hello guys, welcome to this video. And guys, let's talk about the gold. And today we are looking into the gold price action. It is really clear that the price just made a huge move in the last week, not the last week, but the prior week to the last week. Okay, obviously, there was a nice move, huge rally upward, and we could make some money out of that because I've been in a long position, but at this point where I decided to close all of those positions and sit back aside from the market because I was watching and wondering what this thing is about to do. And luckily and hopefully, as we all expected, this move kind of big spike up was a liquidity grab because it took a lot of shorts out of the market. The first thing that it did, and also, it helped many new shows to enter into the market. That's the second thing. And also, it trapped a lot of longs, and they were expecting that the price is gonna be like going like a rocket because that move, it was, it had a lot of temptation in that move because obviously the FOMO is, that I expected that the people should follow. I mean, especially the retail traders, and that's what happened. So after that, we could see this plummeting move downside, and obviously, I had a trade in this call yesterday. I took it, and the market is closed right now, but I guess it could be opening by Monday, and if there is, I haven't checked that event list, but if there is any events like the bank off, or any other kind of events that prevent the market from opening the Monday, I don't know, and I don't have any idea about it. So here, the market yesterday closed, and my position automatically will be closed because the broker side, and they're like, they won't be actively opening or holding any positions by the weekend. So I would say that it was a nice and profitable trade I made. Uh, Breaking the trend line was a reason because the low time frame, and here this is a long trade triggered. Nice thing because you guys can see that there had a lot of confluence. Here's breakout happen, and then a little consolidation, breakout again to here too, and that was another point where I add a little more into my long position there. So what could be a point where I actually decided to exit this position could be here. There had a hidden shorter pattern, but the volume never gave me any confluences. But here, there was a fake out to the downside. That point, I was like watching the market, and I thought it could be like bam down. So I scared out of that. I just made my exit from this long position here, somewhere around this point. But as soon as I made the exit, what actually the market did, it just made another reversal back up again. It is 100% that we can be like, it's not possible to actually catch all of these moves that the market is producing. We should be like, react some of these patterns which is forming in these charts. And here it gave me another breakdown of these trend lines, and maybe another pattern if you guys could find out. I'm not able to find out any other patterns on this thing. Maybe going even down a lot of time frames, there could be another patterns very clearly, precisely. We can see that it is a kind of trend line, nothing else, but some sort of a hidden short pattern was there, and breaking this level is another confluence that we can be like going another short with that. So this thing was a nice trade, obviously. And when it comes to the Bitcoin, I think that the most of you would be really interested in Bitcoin, but not in gold, because most of my audiences are really love the Bitcoin because that's the ultimate Ponzi. That's funny. I'm just uh, yeah. When it comes to the Bitcoin, we could see that it was one of my short position in the BTC. My target was somewhere around here at 40,300-ish area. So I got my TP hit, and as soon as I got the hit, my TP, I just I never went for a long position here because I'm still waiting what it's gonna be resolving into. If it's gonna be resolving into an inverse head and shoulder pattern as a bullish pattern here, which is forming like shoulder here and head and another shoulder here. If this thing is gonna be like producing a breakout with a huge volume, and that's a really confidence for going in a long side, because here this is a neckline and this is what it all has. Okay, here and this could be the 48,000 could be a target, any of that you guys can be looking for. Good. Is there any other resistances that awaiting us? Yeah, obviously that thing exactly matches. Whoa, this is hilarious, and this is a liquidity point, and yeah, obviously, I personally would like to see that the price is going up and taking this level, like 48,000. And the question is, will that be like sooner, or they could be will there be another move down, like from this area to this? Yeah, that's a question. Good question, maybe. Mm, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Honestly saying, we are like reacting to these patterns, and if there is not any sort of patterns here, I cannot say anything like not any comments. And if this possible thing could be it's making a double top here and breaking these things down, yeah, then it could be like say like there is how a little chance for the price to come down. Mm, looking into the GBP and Dixie, yeah, Dixie for Dixie. I mean, let me make some comments on this. Dixie is coming down. Instantly saying that it's gonna be one of the area that I'll be really interested to take some positions. And guys, I'm just gonna be like posting this video here, just out of my mood. One of my trade running in the crypto is right now going to the lost territory, so I have to manage it. Yeah, the crypto is still open in the weekend, so it's like, oh my God, I mean, it's losing like 5,000 US dollars. Oh, sorry guys, sorry about that.